We are identifying our chicks with bands. This little guy is hatching out as we speak. I know it's a little warm. It's not warm in here like he needs to be, but what I was doing was color coding all. And I can't remember. I did green and purple, I believe, to make the French green plus purple equals French. French what was it? FCM. Yeah. And we can't do nothing till he hatches. We gotta put him back in there. The problem is I got two other ones that I don't know where they came from yet. Come on, little baby, you can do it. Come on, little buddy. I need to put him and the rest of these guys back in for now. These guys are like the leghorns or something, so they need to go in a different coop. I'm fitting to put these guys back in with I was hoping he was gonna hatch. Why I had this out. But it's time to go back up. Cause we can't risk him being out. Move, Juju. Okay, I'm going to try to identify these yellow ones as I put this back in. Yeah, I see you, little buddy. You still got shell around your neck. You too easy. How did you get shell stuck to you like that, buddy? You are the Delta. So the bars. So the pink ones are bars. He's being born as we speak. Here he comes, he's hatching. So these guys are bars. Or these guys are buffs. Juju, stop! Stay! Stay where you're at. You move my camera, me and you gonna fight. No, you gotta stay in here, Bubba. Hold on, let me shut this and warm this up a little bit. I want to keep these guys low because they have a tendency to try to jump out. Juju, you knock my goddamn camera down? Me and you gonna fight. Straight up. Get out, out. I don't know what to do with Juju right now. He's in the in-between. I guess I'll go ahead and do this. Stop moving! Get out. Go out. Now stay. Sorry guys. Did I get upset? Alright, these guys are gonna be called... These are the buffers. And they are calm as can be. Let me see. Yeah. Here we go, buddy. We almost lost the camera. And those are buffers. I don't know what this guy is, so I'm just gonna put him in there. This egg, which is a EE, and this egg, which is a EE, and another EE. We got 2 Easter eggers. I wonder if that baby's hatched. Oh, he's trying. Is there another baby? I just seen a baby jump in there. Unless one fell from all the way to the top. Okay, all the way. Okay, I'm bringing you all down here, Delta. Move, did you? Don't worry, little buddies. Help that baby hatch, little leghorn. This says Dom on it, but the shell that broke didn't have nothing on it. I just put it in the Dom section. So I'm really not sure about this guy. So I'm just gonna say I don't know yet if it's a Dom or not. We can mark him Dom, I guess. Here, why don't you hang out so she ain't all alone? It's okay, little Boogito. Where's the camera so we can put it in there? Oh hell, it's already... I got a camera already in there on the other babies. Should be able to see just fine now. He's being born as we speak. Move, Juju. Move, Juju. I'm gonna put something over this to see if we can't get where you can't see anything but the chickens. Put like a blanket over it. Uh-oh. Move, Juju. Come on, Juju, outside. Now. Now. Go on, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. No. Alright, everybody. This is Haven's Homestead. I hope you